Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Banging Bang Bang channel. Today we are covering on Uthando Nesithembu. Yay! Ay. Kushubile Uthando Nesithembu. But there's some positivity esayidini likaSneh. Ngoba Seleko just asked her ukubana he wants uSneh to be the part of Abakhongi, and uSneh, you can see in her eyes ukubana oh, finally ubaba has seen me, nami ukubana I am here as his child and I'll always be here ukubana nimsupport. She is so happy hearing utatake amxelela ukubana he wants her to be part of welcoming uMakhwela number 5, the wife number 5, uSamke. So I guess this is like exciting for Sneh. You can see the glow in her eyes, that heartfelt ukubana finally my dad also sees me. It's not always about uAbo, because uSneh is always complaining ukubana hayi akabonakali nje kulo mndeni lo, abantu they are pretentious, abo they are ubaba's favorite child. So this is actually huge for uSneh. And Namje, I'm so happy for her that like she gets to be part of a big thing in the family. We can see here in Skati they are preparing for the upcoming ceremony, and kutheni Seleko ahlaba and he is not well. From what I know ubana in family mawukuthi kukhona umuntu ogulayo akumelanga kuhlatshwe ekhaya, because whatever that is, it will make the person ogulayo ukubana avese agule. And you can see nakhona Seleko venting edlozini. Nkosi yami uGogflow usebenza overtime day and night, because Seleko is not giving her a break, because Seleko nje he feels like Idlozi is the only thing that he has to go and be truthful to, because he feels like everyone is like on the edge for him to be transparent about. So ugijimele edlozini nkosi yami ubaba Seleko, because like you can see he's not well yena Shem. He's not well ubaba Seleko. You can see even that time when he was venting to Abongwe, telling her daughter ukubana he is trying his all best and things seem to be not going well, and that is like heartbreaking watching Seleko, seeing his tears going down his eyes. Oh well, I guess it's not so easy, whether you've got money or not, having to deal with 5 women, a whole lot of 5 women, 5 characters, the hot, the cold, the frozen, like yay. I know, I salute him Shem, cause wow, hey, number 5 yena ngathi nje hayi uza nje hayi. The 3 wives are like You can see Umakhe, she's like she's just rolling her eyes in her heart ukubana count me out of this, whatever that is. Umangwabe has been like, I don't want to be part of this from the beginning. But anyway, it's happening, whether they are in or they are out. Number 5, she's still coming. She is coming because they are here preparing for a welcoming. You can see even Selegu even asking Usne ukubana he wants Usne to be part of the welcoming of number 5. So at least Selegu knows ukubana if the other wives are not there, Sne is there to assist and showing his support. So like it's been a lot. It's been a whole lot for Selegu to deal with. He even ended up in hospital. Thank God he's here to fully be with wife number 5. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think? We can see here in the next episode, like the 3 wives, they are still fuming about the welcoming ceremony for number 5. They always say bana uMacele always support Selegu, and naye ke nangoko she's like fighting back. She's like, all these people that are here ganging up on me, they are not even talking to each other. So when cameras are on, people they're gonna want to gang up on me. And she's even getting to an extent of saying ubana, some of you guys, you must never forget ubana, how did you come here, Selegu? Ooh, what did she mean by that? What did she mean by that? What did she mean, guys? Were there some people that were not wanted to be there? I remember uMangwabe, Selegu telling uMangwabe kubana, a lot of people didn't want to be here, didn't want you to be here, but I fought for you to be here. So Selegu, I guess he feels a bit disappointed ukubana ngoku uMangwabe yena uyojika athi she's not supporting wife number 5. Njani kaloku ntombi, kusesithenjini apha. Kusesithenjini nkosi yami, kusesithenjini. Like kusesithenjini, you must expect it to happen sooner or later. Nah, you number 5, she must know ukubana she might not be the last one. She might not be the last one. The same way uMangwabe thought ukubana apha kuzovala isicabha, kanti hawa. Kanti no ways, this door, hawa. It is just closed, it's not locked. The door is not locked, darling. Nah, you number 5, Mercy. Okay, let's just leave it for now. Let's all just be happy for her, and ukubana naye she's going to be such a good additional for our eyes to watch. I can't wait for next week, guys, because we can see ukubana uMacele nje, she's like, I've had enough of you guys, like I've been quiet for too long. She's even saying ukubana anditshadanga indoda yomntu ke mna. She's like, anditshadanga indoda yomntu, I didn't marry someone's husband. So which means all of them, they married her husband. So they mustn't blame Selegu if Selegu always have to, by the rules and the laws of polygamy, he has to first, in whatever that he decide, he needs to discuss it with the first wife. If she says yes, then he's got his full support. Ukubana number 2, number 3, number 4, number 7, 10, it doesn't matter. And yeah, Usne naye, she's excited because now she's going to be a part of the ceremony, not just as a family, but she'll be like the crew of it. It's different, man, being fully involved in such ceremonies. It's different from when you are coming as a guest. So now she'll be like, yeah, at least ubaba can see ubana I fully support him on number 5. Cause I feel like it's a good thing ukubana Sneh and her dad are now fixing things. Cause Nkosi yami Usneh with your mouth. I know. God forbid something happens to Umseleko. I feel like the only child that will suffer more, it will be Usneh, because ugirl hayi kwamele nje afunde nje ukuzithoba. She must hayi, cause wow, Usneh will suffer a lot. But hey, let me know, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, guys, and let me know in the comment section, is our Sneh girl finally becoming mature? Bana Umseleko is even considering her to lead Abakongi. I'm happy for her. I'm so happy for her. I am so happy for her. Let me know in the comment section, guys, and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share. Don't forget to always like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your weekend. We can see our beautiful number 5, because muhle ugeli, muhle untombo, uredi nje, uredi kuzoba ngunumber 5.